Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. You can see two Pontiac Firebirds in front of you. Both of them are 1977 Pontiac Firebirds. Uh, both of them are from Mattel. One is Hot Wheels, the other is Matchbox. And one is pricier than others. So yeah, you can figure it out, or you can continue watch this video and see the differences in them. So the one you see in black and gold, this one is the Matchbox moving parts with an opening hood, and this one is a Hot Wheels main line. So both of them are finished in black, but you can see different finish on them, matte black, and obviously the Firebird is in different color. And it costs $2, and that costs $4.50, I guess, depending on where you are, or maybe even more. So it's not an apple to apple comparison, but I just want to show you what are the differences. So if you are looking to get one, should you get both of these or just the main line because it's cheaper, or just get the moving part because it has more, looks better, I guess. Now I'm gonna start with some of the similarities and then go with the dissimilarities. So similarities, obviously both of them are Pontiac Firebirds, so similar design. Both of them have similar looking rear window. Front, I would say, slightly different, and both of them are finished in black, and both of them have decent looking wheels on them. Now, that's all where the similarities kind of vanishes. If I put them side by side, you can see there's a size difference. The Hot Wheels one, if you look, is slightly wider than the Matchbox one. Now, for a mainline, I think it has got nice details on it, but if you compare it to the moving parts, it does miss on details. You can see at the front end, the Matchbox moving part has detailed headlamp, badge, grill, even lower bumper has details, whereas the Hot Wheels mainline misses on that, but it has got turn signals on the side, which that one also does, but with better details. On the driver's side, you can again see there are some details. This one basically follows a different paint theme, the Hot Wheels one. So it's more on the orange red kind of finish. Door handles detail though. The Matchbox is more true to what you would say the classic paint color on this one. So golden theme continues, and so you see the same thing on the wheel. Both have the, what would you say, Firebird on the pillars. Now let's see at the top. You can see obviously the thickness is different on both of these, but the mainline one has the glass piece on it, which Matchbox moving part does not have. Interior is finished again in different colors: red on the mainline, black on the moving part, and moving part had mirrors, mainline does not. Rear again, as expected, moving part has more details, painted details and number plate, which mainline Hot Wheels doesn't. Now look, if you look at the base, again the details on the moving part is comparatively more what you see on the main line, and the finish is also different. This one has a black finish, this one has something kind of a chrome finish, though both of them are plastic, none of them is metal. Now the major difference obviously is going to be this one. It has an opening hood. I can try to show you if it opens up. Give me a sec, open and show you. There we go, and it has actually a nicely detailed underhood or engine bay. So yeah, if you want to spend some money, you can go for this one. It's got some good details, paint looks nice, but if you just want to get something which looks good, don't really care about all the details, I think fits the budget. Still looks nice, has got a good paint job for a main line, and good details too. Well, you can't go wrong with either of one, and if you're really a fan of Firebirds, you might want to get both of those. Those are my thoughts. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.